tripod. In my previous videos, you probably noticed that I've been trying my best to document my printing journey. Behind the camera is the struggle I go through every single time I record. Kung ano-ano na lang ginagamit ko to make it work. Sometimes, mug, books, notebook, tumbler. I even use the tape to have the best spot for videos and have a steady place. There are so many moments when I'm already in the middle of printing and suddenly my phone slips. I have to stop everything, fix the camera, and start all over again. There were even times when I had already finished a project, only to realize that the camera wasn't recording properly or that my hands were blocking the view. Super nakakainis, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yon? Gusto mo lang naman ng magandang video, pero bakit parang ang hirap? So I finally told myself, maybe it's time to invest in something that will make things easier. After looking around for affordable options, I decided to order a cell phone tripod and holder from the Orange app. I didn't need anything fancy. I just wanted something sturdy enough to hold my phone securely while I work, so I could focus more on printing and less on worrying if my phone would fall over. Hindi mahal, pero hindi din madaling masira. Finally, nakahanap ako. And excited na ako to share my next video journey. Ang ganda lang din ng nabili ko, may sariling clicker and matibay talaga. Sakto lang ang bigat, sakto din ang laki. Hindi naman kailangan yung mamahalin. Ang gusto ko lang talaga is yung simple pero stable, para hindi na ako nag-aalala habang nagre-record. Gusto ko kasi mas ma-focus ako sa paggawa ng orders at sa pag-share ng process sa inyo. Meron nagkasamang bag para madaling mabitbit. May sariling handle na rin sa mismong tripod. Excited na ko ma-share ang next video ko using this type of tripod. Abangan nyo na lang next video ko using tripod.